Okay, I'm about to do a video blog on Wohler mirrors and what the new improvements are on the Wohler mirrors. As you can see, first of all, good morning or good afternoon, wherever you're at. I am Chimney Sweep Master Chris Miller. I've been cleaning chimneys since I was 12 years old, and I am now 52 years old. So that's been a long time. So this is one of my favorite mirrors. I use this mirror for inspecting fireplaces, chimney cleanouts, chimney flues. I use it as a light. I shine it down the top of the chimney to reflect the sun, and it works very well. Now, the old mirrors, just wanted to show you the design. This is the old version. It's got a little like hook on it. You can't screw anything to it, but it's got like a hook and it's adjustable. But the problem is they break when they're in your truck. And the problem with this is the thing falls off, the cover. So I think that's a defect in the product, but I wanted to show you how I replace the mirrors, because these two mirrors are broken and I got two replacement mirrors. And then I wanted to show you the new and improved Wohler Inspection mirror. This one has a ball joint and it looks like it's got a screw, so you could add to it. You could put it in on your chimney pole if you'd like to get in those tight areas. It's still telescopic. The telescopic is a little different. They improved that. I'll pull this out for you. It's more of a round telescopic, where the old ones were round, but they had these little things that would stop it. So overall, I like the camera, but I need to figure out how to protect this mirror in your truck, because we all lose the covers because they fall off. So my thoughts, see, you take the mirror and boom, it falls off. So how do we protect this mirror? Anyways, that'll be my next video blog on how to protect your Wohler mirror. With this mirror, I like this mirror. Even the old ones I like. I like the new ones because it's got a rubber handle and it's like rubbery and it won't slip out of your hand. It's got a good grip, and it's got this little wristband. You put this around your wrist, and when you're holding it, it doesn't fall out of your hands. That's really cool. Like that. I've always been impressed with Wohler products. Wohler is designed in Germany, and they make specific industry related tools related to furnace and boiler testing and chimney cleaning and chimney inspections. Apparently you can use a Wohler camera and a drain as well to inspect a drain, but just wanted to give you a heads up. I'm gonna go ahead and change my mirrors because they're broken. This one I duct taped temporarily. And then I'm gonna rig something so I can protect my lens, my mirror lens, so it doesn't crack again. And I want your feedback. So down here, push follow, Chimney Sweep Master. I'm here for you, the chimney sweeper. Thank you.